The last thing we need to do now is just do conditional formatting to fill in what the color should be for our numbers. So I'm going to click out here on my spreadsheet on Google Sheet. So I select every single cells. Then I go to format and I'm going to do a conditional format. Okay, so right now everything is selected. You can see right here, everything is selected. And I want to format the sheets if the text contains, and I'll just go to my first one. If the text contained A1, that's going to be the boots and a hair. I want it to be dark brown. So I go in and I'll click this guy and I'll pick a dark brown. I'll go done. Bam. So now these guys became dark brown. And again, typically this is done on a spreadsheet for the values. If values are under a certain thing, you might want to say red. This is a thing. Green if they're above a certain thing. So it's often used in spreadsheet. We're going to use it to make an 8-bit graphic. I'm going to add another rule, and I'm going to do if the cell contains a 2. Two. Uh, what do I want to do if it's 2? I want to make them blue. That's the pants. Bam, done. Add another rule. If the cell contains, let's go red was 3. I'm going to go 3 and I want to make it red. Bam, done. So now we have the skin color is 5. Add another rule. I want to go in and I want to go contains a 4. Let's do 4. 4 is yellow. The buttons. Bam, the yellow. Bam. Those are some. I'm gonna make it a nicer. I'm gonna hold on. I'm gonna edit this guy if we can. Uh, Bam. We want a nicer yellow. Bam, like that guy. Good. Okay. Add another rule. If the text contains 5, let's go in and see 5. We want to make it a skin color. Let's see if we can find a skin color in this. Ooh, this guy maybe. This guy. I'm not so sure. Okay, let's see. Yeah, why not? Done. And then finally, black for number 6. Another rule. Go in if it contains a 6. We want to make it black. Yeah. So here is my vector color, and that's all I need to do. So when you turn in this guy and turn in all the other stuff. You had your original graphic and I don't know what else. The original graphic and this guy. I think mostly those are 2 things. All right. So I hope that makes sense. Thank you.